How y'all doing? Now this master lock has taken 8 shots from a 9mm, at least 4 to 5 shots from a 45 ACP. Now, you know, you see in the movies how they just shoot the lock, it falls apart, either 1 or 2 shots. Well, I done used the most popular guns for law enforcement, besides the 40 cal, but it ain't gonna do any difference. Here we go. Old school Ruger Security 6 357 mag. I do believe this is a 148 grain bullet. I'm not sure, something like that. Now, take in mind that this lock already been shot at many times. Let's see if the 357 mag does anything more than the others. That lock is still locked. There's nobody getting in the gate yet. Let's see what this old girl does. Still locked. There it is. Okay. Let's put this old police special away here. Give me a second. I love my wheel guns. There's no thinking, there's no safety. You can shoot double action, you can shoot single action. Get yourself a wheel gun. But, now can I still get, yep, there you go. I can turn it. Whole lock fell apart. So now, do you need a 357 mag to open the lock? Or did the 9mm and the 45 AC make us weak? I don't know. I think the 357 mag just gets the job done. Maybe I'll buy some more locks and we'll do some more research on it. But if you gotta shoot a lock, step your game up, go to a Magnum. Bye.